Hello, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. As you can see, we're here live at the Eco Hotel in Swift, where tonight it's the official Miss Nigeria 2017 happening here. And I'm your boy, Dewo, aka Fresh, standing with my beauty queen.
Oh, why, thank you, Adele. My name is Ayomira Essay, and it is such a pleasure to be bringing you all the gist and live events from this year's Miss Nigeria. Now, it's unique because it's the 60th anniversary, and we have so many things celebrating culture. Thus far, we have had a beautiful rendition of the national anthem by award-winning Nollywood actress Jennifer Eliogu.
You know, and people, we never expected that she could sing that good. Yeah. The national anthem never sounded better, trust me.
Very exquisite.
You know, and as you can see, we have a lot packed up for you guys tonight. It's been one journey to another. 60 years. Wow.
60 years. Now, earlier on, you might have missed the fact that the main sponsors of this night's event presented a brand new car to the very first Miss Nigeria, Miss Grace Oyelude, and it was such an emotional moment. You haven't missed too much. We're still bringing you so many things. You've only perhaps missed the dance of the beauty queens.
Yeah. But the truth is that you'll still get to see a lot happening. The girls are ready. They're ready to go. And I'm going to be selecting my own beauty queen, you know?
And I'll be selecting my own beauty king.
All right, guys, let's enjoy the show. Don't go anywhere. It's still amazing.
Yes,
right?
Indeed. Bobby is on the stage, and it's time for us to, be entertained by him. But don't forget, we'll be speaking to some of the contestants this evening, the judges, and some amazing people. Enjoy, Bobby.
Close your eyes. I have a surprise for you. Put her in front of the mirror. She closed her eyes. I wore her the necklace. She felt it. Opened her eyes. Now, what I was expecting was, oh, it's lovely. And then turn and kiss. Right? That's what soft girls do, right? She opened her eyes and she goes, hey, yeah. For me? I said, yes. And she said, take it. So I'm like, did you used to strip before? She went all, just like that. So that's why I'm like, I think our girls are stereotyped in certain ways. Some ways are good, some are interesting. I wouldn't say they're bad, Date a white girl, first date, second date, third date, get to her house, you come down, open the door, walk her to the doorstep. It was a good one. She says, yeah. Can we do this again? She says, yeah. Your eyes meet each other and there's just this connection. Next thing you know, you're kissing. Just like that. White girl. Take a Nigerian girl out. First date, second date, third date, then take her to the front of her house. Before you come down, she don't open door, they jog, they go. Like, wait now. Hope you enjoy yeah. Can we do this again? Yeah. Then you're bringing your mom and she's like, hey, have I said yes? That's how it goes, right? She must tell you yes. Yeah, you forwarding to white girls. First day in the room that is going to go. She's not talking. She will even be helping you to unbutton your. You the unbutton and she the unbutton. Come on, shirt. Come on, bra. Come on, skirt. Reach immigration, you cross. No argument. After everything, she go, I love you. I guess. Una don't agree. But that, stop. So, do you know what kills us? The day we now finally kiss with a shock. Say, she let me kiss. Oh yeah, push your man, push. This one where she greet you. You say, Nigerian guys don't know how to kiss. How will we know how to kiss when the day we will finally see opportunity, we don't know when it will happen. Kiss. Start rushing. We are push it, bra. Pull bra. As she open eye, you remove your hand. Are you okay? Then you get push enter the bed. Bah. As you get to immigration, say, wait. What are we? I mean, do you love me? You are asking me at the gate of heaven whether I love you. I will not say, no, I don't love you. I just want to have a good time.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, we are backstage. Yes, it's the Miss Nigeria 2017, and we're backstage, and I can feel the heartbeats of the ladies right now.
We can see just to our left some of the contestants, and we can see the excitement mixed with a bit of apprehension, but we want you to enjoy it from your TV screens.
Well, let's see the ladies on stage. They're going to be showing some traditional attire, making things happen, and trust me, right, you can spot your favorite right here, right now. I think I can. All right, let's watch this. A lot of
Are you ready? Let's take it away.
My guys have been backing me since day one. Thought it was a joke at the start, but you know, you started through and put me on. Cause I've been known to be a little on. Girl, any chance that I get, I'm calling. And I know you wanna hear my voice, so if you turn it loud, I'm always there. I'm in your radio, I'm always there. Oh, if you turn it loud, I'm always there. I'm in your radio, I'm always there. Oh, I'm out here rooting for you, I stay on the radio. I heard your mafia, but I stay on the radio. When I get that, yeah, I stay on the radio. We here rooting for you, I stay on the radio. Trying to be the one that you love and you can't just ignore. Me, I forget about it on them, baby, ain't nothing wrong. And now they hear my sound and they like that. I remind you of someone that you like back. Am I right to make you wanna ride back? See, if you turn it loud, I'm always there. I'm in your radio, I'm always there. Oh, if you turn it loud, I'm always there. I'm in your radio, I'm always there. Oh, I'm out here rooting for you, I stay on the radio. I heard your mafia, but I stay on the radio. When I get that, yeah, I stay on the radio. We here rooting for you, I stay on the radio. I'm out here rooting for you, I stay on the radio. I heard your mafia, but I stay on the radio. When I get that, yeah, I stay on the radio. We here rooting for you, I stay on the radio.
They told me everybody's 15 minutes in a different time zone. And since I have it at the moment, you the one I wanna shine my light on. Get your life, little mama, won't you get your life on? Ain't nothing cooler than the wrong moves when you do them to the right song, the right song. Let's shoot this movie and put the shit on repeat. I hope this memories are making you fall asleep. Before we hit the road, put our phones on silent. Nobody's trying to bring sand to the beach. What would it take to change your plans for the weekend? Cause I'm trying to kick it like eating. The whole thing, the pre-party, the pre-sex. Then we hit the major league with a G's.
I like you, girl, in particular. You in particular. Say, I like your waist in particular. I like you, girl, in particular. Yeah, you in particular. Say, I like your waist in particular.
Here, yeah. Give me love one of these days, yeah. I knew the first time I saw you there, yeah. Give me love one of these days. Got it go. Now you sabi, mommy, you already know, man. Got it, baby, got it go. Me, I can't lie, oh. I like you, girl, in particular. Can I see your particulars? I've been screening you like una película. So baby, let's steer it up, yeah. I've come to see what's in your eyes. Baby.
I like you, girl, in particular. You in particular. Say, I like your waist in particular. Say, I like you, girl, in particular. Yeah. You in particular. Say, I like your waist in particular. Say, I like your waist in particular. I like you, girl, in particular.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome back on stage your 37 contestants for Miss Nigeria 2017.
My guys have been backing me since day one. Thought it was a joke at the start, but you know, you started through and put me on. Cause I've been known to be a little girl, any chance that I get, I'm calling. And I know you wanna hear my voice, so if you turn it loud, I'm always there. I'm in your radio, I'm always there. Oh, if you turn it loud, I'm always there. I'm in your radio, I'm always there. Oh, I'm out here rooting for you, I stay on the radio. I heard your mafia, but I stay on the radio. When I get that, yeah, I stay on.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, are we having a good time tonight? All right, please help me welcome on stage. I'll leave your hands together for her.
Thank you very much. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you've been having an amazing time. It is such an honor to be one of your co-hosts tonight. Yes. I've been having a great time. Maybe have you?
I mean, the cultural display just now was absolutely amazing. I don't know if any of the attires caught your attention, but honestly, I think we ended it with a bang. Miss FCT was pretty amazing with her outfit.
And right now, I am so scared for the judges. I think it will be a very tough position to be in, being a judge tonight, because there's so many beautiful women and you don't know which one to pick.
Do you have someone you're rooting for?
Lips sealed, fingers crossed. I'm rooting for all of them.
We had a few of the contestants get some cheers here. It's going to be interesting to see if any of those who were cheered tonight will be winning. You never really know. There's always the case of the underdog. And of course, things change with the questions and the answer segments, and of course, the evening gown. So there's a lot more to still see tonight before we find out who Miss Nigeria 2017 will be.
Wow. Amazing. Honestly, Adewa, weren't you so proud of the Nigerian culture, watching those girls walk through?
Looking at how rich the Nigerian culture is, you could say they were all distinct in their own way. And it was awesome. It was amazing.
Absolutely awesome.
It was amazing.
Now, let me ask you a question and put you on the spot.
Yes.
Do you have a favorite already?
Yes, so I do.
You're not supposed to have a favorite.
Straight up, I have a favorite. But the truth is that, yeah, we're all here to support Nigeria as it is, as a whole. But I already have my favorite.
Do you know what I was going to say? Despite the fact that we have Miss this, Miss that, at the end of the day, let's have Miss Nigeria.
Baby Sungbalaja, you supposed to be straight with me. Oh, I know ya bara. Ìgbà tí màá lówó Olúwa ló mọ̀, orí ìyá mi ẹlẹ́kan, bébí já lọ ẹlẹ́kan. Àwọn tó ń lá mi tí ó fọ yín gan màmá padà lẹ́yìn mi. Bébí dán mi wò, wà ní pé mo rọ̀ ẹ́. Àwọn tó ń gómi jẹ tí wọ́n mọ omi lè kọ́ máa ṣe. Kílódé. Why you carry fire for your head? Yeah, má lọ ro mi pin. Why you carry fire? Mo ti dúró pẹ́kẹ́jì ṣe má lọ bá. Why you carry fire for your head? Wọ́n ló gbé náà sórí. Why you carry dẹ̀ máa lọ gbé náà sórí yẹ. Ó ṣe. Body on tẹ̀tẹ̀tẹ̀. On tẹ̀tẹ̀. Yeah, me a good baby. See, kiddo. Me now. You want have a packet? Call me. Ha. You want Chanel? On tẹ̀tẹ̀tẹ̀. Oh, see girl, I want poke you like Pokemon. I wanna back you like Pokemon. Yeah. Oh Lord, this girl go kill the person. Yeah. Forget about Fatima. She wanna roll with a Fatima. Yeah. Waiting the sugar daddy's go cost. Yeah. Body on tete. Booty on tete. Make up on leave. Party on 999. Yeah. Body on tete. On tete. Booty on tete. On tete. Make up on leave. Yeah. Party on 999. Yeah. Me a good baby, oh. Kiddo, me ya. All the girls that I want shake it. All the girls that I want shake it. All the girls that I want shake it, yeah. See, baby, I go take care of you, passing on it. Hey, are you getting it? Are you getting it? All your problems are not the solution, I go. Are you getting it? Are you getting me? Yeah. Mama born you, your mama born you, and you're beautiful too. I want to hold you, girl. I love you, girl. I wanna love you well. I know you fell in love, but nobody caught you. See, but I got your body, Rabedi sika me, yeah, your body, Now you ain't go chop on my money, I like this your body, Rabedi sika me, your dough, yeah, your body, Now you ain't go chop on my money, Girl, I want to know who you go to Bellevue. Where are you school you do? Most of your friends now but who, yeah. Malo rekrekete, malo rekrekete. Thunder fire the best. We say I no go love you. Mama born you, yeah. Your mama born you, and you're beautiful too. I want to hold you, girl. I love you, girl. I wanna love you, I know you fell in love, but nobody got you. But I got to your body, Rabedi sika me, yeah, your body, Now you ain't go chop on my money, I like this your body, Rabedi sika me, your dough, yeah, your body, Now you ain't go chop on my money, See, I'm gonna stick with you like a bamboo, yeah. Are you getting me? Are you getting it? Hey, pepper the rest, Yamato you tomato. Hey, are you getting me? Yeah, are you getting me? Yeah. But I got to your body, Rabedi sika me, yeah, your body, Now you ain't go chop on my money, I like this your body, Rabedi sika me, your dough, mama, hey. Your body, Now you ain't go chop on my money, Yeah, you know say I go Shashamura, oh Betty, Shashamura, oh Betty. Forget about Obiangeli, only me and you, baby. Just me and you, baby. Oh yeah, baby. Thank you very much. God bless you.
Mix mouse up. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, we have the amazing Mayoko in the building, serenading the ladies. You know how it is. How you feeling, man?
I'm feeling good, man. Yeah, very good.
Your performance was absolutely wonderful, and even backstage, we were definitely jamming to your song, and it's been so beautiful.
Yeah. We thank God. We thank everybody for coming out, seeing the boy get me.
So
it seems you always where the ladies are. Is it a thing about you that you just?
Yeah, I used to have girls around a lot every time.
So before we let you go, Mayoko, do you have a favorite for tonight to win?
I think I've been seeing FCT since.
FCT?
I don't know. But I hope she wins, John.
Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, FCT by Mayoko. Nice one, man. Enjoy. Have a lovely evening, bro. Have fun. Yes.
All right. Ladies and gentlemen, the show continues. Any moment from now, we will be trimming the list down to our top 10 finalists, and after that, of course, we'll get into the final round. So don't get exhausted, don't be tired.
Don't be tired. And please remember to keep the conversation going on social media. Use the hashtag Miss Nigeria 2017. And remember to tell your loved ones to tune to Wazobia Max TV, DSTV channel 259, where it is streaming live. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. The show continues in a moment.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're still here. It is the Miss Nigeria 2017 happening here at the Eco Hotel and Suites.
Yes, indeed. It has been very exciting. We've had performances from Mayoku.
And we're still expecting an amazing performance from the man himself, Two-Face Idibia.
And who better to be here on this stage than the man who sang African Queen, as we celebrate so many African Nigerian queens on stage this evening.
You know, I was thinking of writing a song for my own, Nigerian queen. But it's not working,
I am afraid to ask you to sing the song live.
If I do that, people are watching me. My parents will not be happy. They'll be like, "Oh my God, this is what we sent you to school to do, my son." No, but hey, we're still celebrating Nigeria in its awesomeness, and you can see. Look at the traditional attire, amazing.
Absolutely.
From different states, different.
Absolutely, honestly, and like someone said, the array of competent judges. My goodness, we have Tarafela Durotoye, we have Jumoke Adenowo, we have Adeswa Tommy, Omotala Jalade Kende. It's a star cast, guys.
I think it's a good idea that they put out a mix of different genres in the society, so that they can also look at it from their own perspective and say, okay, she's quite intelligent.
Yeah.
She's quite beautiful.
Yes.
She has what it takes to be a queen.
Yes.
Oh my God.
We're looking for something beyond just the outside beauty.
Yes.
We're looking for something in-depth, intelligent.
Yes.
Now, Edewa, tell me,
Yes.
what would be the first quality for you when you're choosing a queen?
She has to be very, very outspoken.
Okay.
I like a lady I believe that a woman who is outspoken wouldn't be afraid to stand up to anybody and make her point known. So I think a woman who's outspoken.
So you wouldn't think she's rude?
No. See, that's the problem. There's a thin line between being rude and being outspoken.
Okay.
So we would rather not just, if you are rude, we know, we'll catch it. You cannot do that, we'll catch it immediately.
All right. So let's ask you guys out there, what are the qualities for you that would determine a queen? Because for different people, like they say, beauty is in the eye of the beholder. So it doesn't have to be physical. Remember, it's beyond beauty. It's celebrating the total Nigerian woman. And we're so excited to be celebrating that this evening.
Okay, so we're going to be talking to our one and only. He's a host of the show tonight, and I'm sure he's been with the ladies, so he's used to that. The one and only Bobby. Bobby is here. Bobby, how you doing?
I'm okay. Good. Excited.
Do you know what I loved tonight? I loved how you bantered with the judges earlier tonight.
Oh, right.
What were you thinking?
I wasn't thinking. I honestly wasn't thinking. So you see, because we had a slight technical blip, we needed to fill in that space so the hall is not just quiet and empty, So I'm like, okay, one thing we should do is get intimate with the judges, make the atmosphere relaxed, make everybody sit back and know that, well, it's not a do or die affair. Bottom line is we're here to have fun. It's a historic event. This is our 60th anniversary, So I felt like we knew most of the judges. We didn't know some.
Yes. That's right.
So I'm like, okay, let's get to know you and introduce you and all that. So that was just it.
Who was your favorite judge?
I don't think I had a favorite, but the architect lady, I can't remember her name.
Jumoke Adenowo.
Yes, Jumoke Adenowo.
The one you said she talked about the white wall being...
Right. And she didn't remember she talked about stairs. And she did talk about stairs. So I was personally excited about that because I think I saw her last 2 years on CNN, and that was the only time I watched that one. Her office is somewhere in Marina, Anyway, well, basically that was it. It was cool.
Well, Bobby, you're looking really sharp. It's like you got the memo. It's a black tie event. You're like, take it away.
I had no idea. This is how I dress even to bed.
That's very true.
Bobby said this is how I dress even to bed. Wow. Is this how you dress going to bed?
Of course, I wake up like this, or I woke up like this. Flawless.
You better sleep back.
Edna, let me even talk to you. What are you wearing? Who are you wearing? What inspired your style?
Actually, I wanted to go there. I had an idea of dressing another way.
Yeah.
But, my wardrobe hit me, and I hit it back, and I'm like, hey, let me come out this way. Let's make it happen. But yes.
All right, guys, we're still live at Miss Nigeria 2017, and we're about to go live.
Welcome to Zootopia.
I messed up tonight. I lost another fight. I still myself, but I'll just start again. I keep falling down. I keep on hitting the ground, but I always get up now to see what's next. Birds don't just fly, they fall down and get up. Nobody learns without getting it wrong. I won't give up, no, I won't give in till I reach the end, and then I'll start again. No, I won't leave. I wanna try everything. I wanna try even though I could fail. I won't give up, no, I won't give in till I reach the end, and then I'll start again. No, I won't leave. I wanna try everything. I wanna try even though I could fail. Try everything. Try everything. Try everything. Look how far you've come. You filled your heart with love. Baby, you've done enough. Take a deep breath. Don't beat yourself up. No need to run so fast. Sometimes we come last, but we did our best. I won't give up, no, I won't give in till I reach the end, and then I'll start again. No, I won't leave. I wanna try everything. I wanna try even though I could fail. I won't give up, no, I won't give in till I reach the end, and then I'll start again. No, I won't leave. I wanna try everything. I wanna try even though I could fail. I'll keep on making those new mistakes. I'll keep on making them every day.
Talking in my sleep at night, making myself crazy. Out of my mind, out of my mind. Wrote it down and read it out, hoping it would save me. Too many times, too many times. My love, he makes it feel like nobody else, nobody else. But my love, he doesn't love me, so I tell myself, one, don't pick up the phone. You know he's only calling cause he's drunk and alone. Two, don't let him in. You have to kick him out again. Three, don't be his friend. You know you're gonna wake up in his bed in the morning, and if you're under him, you ain't getting over him. I got no rules, I count him. Pushing forwards, but he keeps pulling me backwards. Nowhere to turn, nowhere to turn. No. Now I'm standing back from it. I finally see the pattern. I never loved. But my love, he doesn't love me, so I tell myself, I do. One, don't pick up the phone. You know he's only calling.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, in their evening dresses, please welcome back on stage the 37 contestants for Miss Nigeria 2017.
Similar, stepping on the place. She worldwide, sugar boy, yeah. From around the globe, make them just go, make them raise the roof. Make them just you, make them know the coco. I know my name was you, make the girls them dance you. No.
now to make a special announcement. We'd like to call once again Mr. Fidelis Anosike, our Oga at the top.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I wish I was one of the contestants. So I wish some, you know. So, can I get the check? And can I have Ezine Akudo come off? So, these finalists have done us proud. Working with the judges, Motala, Debola Williams, Ian Nia, our chairman of the night, Helen Prest, Yemi Kerry, Nobuligwe, my good old Chief Judge and Deputy Chief Judge, Chioma Ode and Jumoke Adonowo, Ose, and the NAPTIP, Miss Nigeria, Binta Sukai, and Erelu. You guys have seen what these girls have been transformed. And I thank you all for being here, and I thank you all for being patient. This show, we're going to have a crowning queen, and we're going to have a queen in the next 30 minutes. It gets tough from here. So please, can I have the check, please? And Ezine, can you come and receive this check on behalf of all the finalists this year? So what it means is that each of them will go home with something that can empower them, no matter how little. So we are starting this tradition. So what it means is that next year, when we make $1 billion, that we hope that Miss Nigeria will make next year, the girls will make 5% of that. That is what we call the empowerment platform that we've just created. And I thank you, and I thank you, and I thank you. I thank all the sponsors. I thank Heritage Bank. I thank GSC. I thank Wazobia. And ladies and gentlemen, it gets very tough from now. Judges, thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, can we put our hands together for Fidelis Anosike? Thank you very much, sir. All right, ladies and gentlemen, can we put our hands together once again for amazing contestants?
As they make their way backstage, ladies.
Welcome back. We're still here live at the Echo Convention Center. Are you tired of that one?
For what? I'm here to make sure that I go home with my queen. I'm taking her home.
Is your name? Okay, I'll keep my mouth shut.
Is my name what?
I will not say it.
Were you talking about a little bit of flavor and spice? I'll just say.
But ladies, we've seen all the ladies in their beautiful evening dresses.
Yes,
very stunning.
Yes, yes.
Oh, Two-Face! Two-Face!
And we're going to be having an amazing performance by Two-Face Media. He's in the building, so ladies and gentlemen, Two-Face, African Queen.
I love you. I love you. I love you. No be smarty, no. I said no be smarty, no. No be smarty, no. I said no be smarty, no. See, I see you. 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 Child, just like the sun, light up the earth. You light up my life, yeah. The only one I ever see with a smile so bright, yeah. And just yesterday, you came around my way, yeah. You changed my whole scenery with your astonishing beauty, yeah. You could have make a brother sing, no ordinary thing, a supernatural, almost sexy, I see you. No boo. Everybody help me sing it out. Say, you are my African queen, the girl of my dreams. You take me where I never been. You make my heart go ting-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a. You are my African queen. And you remind me of a thing, and that is the African. There's been a lot of toasting that the guys have been up to her. She told them she was waiting for the one that God will send to fulfill a kind of craving, a special kind of loving, one with a lot of understanding. Come rain, come shining. Come rain, come shining. Hey, every time that I look into your eyes, I see fire in there. And if you look into my eye, you see desire in there. Hey, I said if love is a crime, I want to be wanted. Hey, I said if love is a crime, if love is a crime, so keep the fire burning. Keep the fire burning, 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 burning. Keep the fire burning. Keep the fire burning. One love. One love. Ladies, see, let somebody love you. Let somebody touch you. Let somebody feel the space in your heart. Oh, eh. Let somebody press you. Let somebody grab you. Let somebody squeeze you. Let somebody love you, love you, love you, love you. You see, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. Hey, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love all of you.
Ladies and gentlemen, you just saw that happen. It was on fire. The stage went up.
And only two, Baba.
Oh man, it was awesome. It was awesome.
African queen.
Yes. And my best. Make sure you do the gaga shuffle. Hey.
Let me hold your mic for you.
Oh my God. You know, it was an amazing time with Two-Face in the building.
Always such a pleasure and a delight having him. Definitely. But we have to go back to see what's happening on stage and enjoy.
It's you I see in my dreams. Every day I pray for you, Queen of my life. You are so beautiful, Mama. You're beautiful. Emi wa mama kan, talori Mama mi o rojuri, and that is why I'm loving you. Nítorí ọmọ, ó jìyà nílé ọkọ. Mama mi o rojuri, and that is why I'm loving you. La 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 la, la 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 la. That's why you're beautiful. Oh yeah. La 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 la. You're beautiful. Eba mi kira fún mama mi. Òrìṣà bíyà o, kò sí láyé. Eba mi kira fún mama mi. Òrìṣà bíyà o, kò sí láyé. Oh yeah. La la, that's why you're beautiful. Oh yeah. La 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 la. Ooh, man, there is no one like you. Emi wa mama kan, talori Mama mi o rojuri, and that is why I'm loving you. Oh, nítorí ọmọ, ó jìyà nílé ọkọ. Mama mi o rogery, and that is why I'm loving you. La 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 la, la 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 la. That's why you're beautiful. You're beautiful. Oh yeah. Oh la 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 la. Eba mi kira, eba mi kira. Oh yeah, Orisha biya o, kò sí láyé. Eba mi kira fún màmá mi. Ha, Orisha biya o, kò sí láyé. Oh yeah, la 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 la. That's why you're beautiful. Oh yeah, la 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 la. You're beautiful. Oh yeah. Hey, oh yeah. Oh yeah. You're beautiful. You're beautiful. You're beautiful. Hey, yeah, yeah, the wura. 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 Thank you.
We can't get over the fact that Miss Helen Press Ajayi was Miss Nigeria in 1979. I think she deserves another round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. She's ageless.
I kept staring, Bobby. I couldn't wrap my mind around that information. I thought I misheard. I had to ask again.
Absolutely, 1979. Permit us to call you a vampire, ma'am.
I don't know if my parents had met at the time. I wasn't even born then.
You ain't born?
No, I wasn't.
Well, I was born in the latter part of 1979, so I would say as at the time she was being crowned, I was a seed of semen, at best a foetus. Right.
All right, we'd like to specially appreciate our media partners, Wazobia TV, and we'd like to announce to you that this is airing live here in Lagos, in Abuja, in Port Harcourt, and in different parts, all on DSTV 259. We'd like to appreciate the MD CEO of Wazobia TV, Mr. Amin Musali, and the Wazobia TV family. Thank you very much for your unflinching support.
Absolutely, thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, the moment of truth, a journey that started several months ago. They've been trimmed down from 41 to 37 you saw tonight. Right now, in our hands here, we have the top 10 finalists. And we'll be calling their names as they make their way on stage in no particular order.
And I think it's imperative that we mention that every woman who has walked the stage tonight is a queen, regardless of who wears the crown. So please put your hands together for every single one of them.
That's
they have
right.
done absolutely well. In no particular order, our top 10 queens are Edo State.
Miss Edo.
Edo State. Miss Ekiti. A round of applause for the beautiful ladies. We also have Miss Akwa Ibom. Congratulations, ladies. And we also have Miss Bayelsa. Miss Ondo. Would you do me the honors of calling the remaining 5?
All right. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Miss Ogun. Next on the list, Miss Bauchi. Please welcome Miss Adamawa. there you are.
The lady in the red.
Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Ebonyi. Whew. All right. And finally, please welcome Miss Delta.
Did you feel particularly excited to call that last one because you're from Delta State? Please put your hands together for our top 10 finalists at the Miss Nigeria Pageant 2017.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, ladies.
So, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be talking with our judges now, and they have questions for our top 10 contestants. So, Buffy, handle it from that side.
All right.
And I'll handle from here.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be getting questions from our judges for our top 10 contestants. And I think based on that, we're going to be cutting down to our finalists. I'll give it now to the head judge.
It's a tough one, and I congratulate the 10 girls that are here already. We're going to have the questions in the order as you stand. So we as judges can say, Ms. Akwaibom, I have a question for you. It's going to be one after the other. So I'd like for the first girl to come forward for the first question.
All right, first one.
Ms. Delta. Yes.
Ms. Delta, please step forward.
All right.
A round of applause, thank you.
Me.
What caused the recent outrage in the world concerning Libya? And what do you think the government can do to help Nigerians in that situation?
Did you get the question?
Thank you very much. What caused the recent outrage in Libya is basically human trafficking. And what the government can do about it, I will not say they have not been trying, but they can do more. Create more jobs and make sure our young people in Nigeria are comfortable. Once there is everything they think makes the world or the life greener on the other side, once they have it right here, they won't have to go anywhere. Thank you.
Thank you. All right.
Okay. Miss Adamawa State, assuming you were to win this beauty pageant, what would actually be your short-term and long-term goals? What do you hope to achieve?
Thank you very much. My short-term goals would be to help children who go through incest and are suffering different disorders, mental disorders. These children most times are ignored in the society. These children are being thought as demons or something. And people do not really know the reason or the causes of these mental illnesses. So I would like to create an avenue to make people understand that children who have these mental illnesses can function properly in the society. And as for incest, children who go through incest develop psychological disorders such as depression and makes them dysfunctional in the society. I would like to have an organization that rehabilitates these children. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Indeed, our girls are a measure of beauty and brains.
Miss Ondo, please.
Please encourage her with a round of applause.
Hello, Miss Ondo. If you could change two things in the world today that we live in, what would it be? I mean, Nigeria and outside. So if you could change two things currently, what would you do? What would it be?
Did you get the question? She said if you could change two things in the world today, what would it be? What would they be? Am I correct?
Yes, yes, thanks.
All right.
Thank you very much for that question. If I could change two things in the world today, the first would be to change how children with eye defect are seen in the society, and how the parents and the elders around them can help them and build them. And the second thing I would like to change in the society is this stereotype of people believing that African women in particular cannot participate in politics. Thank you very much.
All right. Thank you very much. This right?
Yes.
All right then. Thank you, Miss Ondo. Let's welcome Miss Bielsa, ladies and gentlemen.
Miss Bielsa, as a young girl from Bielsa, I'm going to ask you two questions that really amount to one. What do you think is the most problem affecting young girls in Bielsa, and how would you effect a change to help them using the platform?
Thank you very much for that question. What I think affecting young girls in Bielsa will be poverty and lack of education. If I am Miss Nigeria 27, I would use my platform to enlighten girls of Bielsa that they do not have to depend on their fathers or depend on the male factor, but they can go to school to have an education. And when they do have an education, they would be able to overcome poverty in the society. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Bielsa. Miss Ekiti.
Miss Ekiti, my question to you is a simple one. Let's pretend tonight it's International Women's Day. What would your address to this august audience be? What would you talk about today?
I didn't get that. Can you come again, Ma? Sorry.
Let's pretend that tonight is International Women's Day. What would you talk to us about today?
Today, thank you for the question. Today, I would talk to you about the way we carry ourselves. Some people don't believe in themselves, and I believe if you believe in yourself, there's nothing too great, there's nothing too small to achieve. Thank you.
Thank you. Miss Edo, please.
Miss Edo, the theme of today's pageant is empowering women beyond beauty. If given the opportunity, how would you contribute or ensure that this is implemented?
Thank you very much for that question. According to what you said, the theme for today's event is empowering women beyond beauty. I, for one, don't believe that beauty is physical. I believe beauty is more internal, definitely. So I'll build on women building themselves internally, mentally, intellectually, basically. So women need to grow, develop themselves in order to become beautiful.
Thank you. Thank you very much. All right, Mr. Kwaibom.
Mr. Kwaibom, do you think we have a rape culture in Nigeria? If you do win, how do you intend to address this?
Please, can you say the question again?
Do you think that we have a rape culture in Nigeria?
Yes, I do.
So if you win, how do you intend to address this?
I would use the platform of the Miss Nigeria beauty pageant to go out on orientations in places to let people know that there are rape cultures in Nigeria. People face rape culture. People are being raped day in, day out, but they refuse to accept it. They are being kept bound by one thing or the other. I would use the platform to go out on outreaches to medias and other forms of NGOs that will help work towards stopping rape culture in Nigeria. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. All right, let's have Miss Ogun. All right.
Hello, Miss Ogun. What do you think is the purpose of being Miss Nigeria?
Did you get the question?
Yes, I did. Thank you very much. The purpose of being Miss Nigeria is to help, motivate, be a positive role model in the society. Thank you.
All right. Thank you very much, Miss Ogun. Miss Bauchi, welcome.
Okay, Ms. Bauchi, if you became the first female Senate president, what will be the first law you would pass into law in Nigeria in favor of women?
Get a question.
Okay, she would like you to repeat the question, please.
Ms. Bauchi, if you became the first female Senate president, what will be the first law you will pass in Nigeria in favor of women?
If you became the first female president, what will be the first law you will pass in favor of women?
Thank you for the question. If I become the first female president in the country, the first law I would love to pass is to empower women. Like, I would love to empower them. I would love to create job employment. I would love to, actually, I'll bring up entrepreneurship in Nigeria to empower women, to empower young girls, to empower young children, to give girl education. So that would be the first law I would do if I were to become
A round of applause for her, please.
Thank you. All right, and last but not the least, Miss Ebony. All right.
All right, Miss Ebony. 2019 is around the corner. If you had the power to pick the next president of Nigeria, what would be the key characteristics that you would be looking out for? Could you tell us at least 3 of them if you had the power to pick the next president of Nigeria?
All right.
Okay, thank you very much for the question. Okay, one of the characteristics, if I become the next president of Nigeria, sorry.
Okay, let me help you there. He said if you had the power to pick the next president of Nigeria come 2019, what would be the characteristics you will look out for?
Oh, thank you very much. One, I'm going to look out for someone who is upright. Secondly, someone who is God-fearing. Thirdly, someone who has love in his heart. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much,
At
Miss
this point,
Ebony.
I think I'm the next
Miss
contestant.
Olive. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we've just been informed that we're going straight to, the judges are going to
Deliberate and then
Deliberate.
cut down the list from 10 to 3. So we're going straight to the moment you've all been waiting for. You must agree with us that choosing the winner of this pageant is really, really a Herculean task. Seeing how these women are smart, they're beautiful, they're intelligent, and they have to learn to think on their feet. So please put your hands together for our queens as they exit the stage, whilst we give our judges a moment to compile our results.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, they have the final 10.
Yes, you saw the ladies, you heard them speak. Now they're not just going to be judged by their beauty, but also intelligence.
Their brains, you know what I mean? It's all about beauty and brains. Yeah, it is. So it's going straight to the first 3 after this. Wow, wow.
The moment of truth, the moment we've been waiting for is finally upon us, and we cannot wait. Who will be crowned Miss Nigeria 2017?
You know, I was hoping that they were going to crown you, but it's quite unfortunate that you are not part of the contestant. You know.
I'm the queen of my house.
You know.
All right, okay.
But the whole idea is let's look at what they have a video playing on, and we can see a bit of hand movements going on.
Outgoing Miss Nigeria 2016-2017, Chioma Obiadi. Listen.
Strength I didn't even realize I had. My heartfelt thanks to Folio Media Group for providing an avenue for dreams of mine to come true. To my team, management, fellow contestants, my mentor, my friends, and the entire Nigerian community, thank you. Special thanks to God Almighty, who gave me the grace and wisdom to complete my reign. To the best parents anyone could ask for, my ever-enduring mom and unbelievably understanding father. My brothers, though sometimes annoying, but ever supporting, they have been my pillar and backbone. I would love my story to be an inspiration to everyone, that no dream is indeed too big, and if you dream it, you can be it. My name is Chioma Obiadi, the 40th Miss Nigeria, and I am and always will be the green girl.
All right, so ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, that was the message from the outgoing queen of Miss Nigeria 2016 and 17. She's an amazing looking person.
That's right, Chioma Obiadi is her name.
Yes,
and here she is.
Oh, yes, she is.
Hi, Chioma. You look every inch the queen. Every inch the queen. You look absolutely beautiful. Well, we need to ask the organizers. Miss Nigeria, can she keep the crown?
The truth is that the crown really suits you. It goes with your color, your dress.
See, I said so. I tried convincing them, but I mean,
but how does it feel giving out the crown tonight?
I mean, it feels amazing. I mean, I'm so grateful to God that my reign has been completely seamless and everything went well. And I'm so happy, and I cannot thank my parents enough. I cannot thank my family. I can't thank the entire Nigerian community, because I believe that just one person could have made my reign very miserable. I'm so happy that it ended properly. And I'm so excited to pass the crown to the next girl, because she's going to go on a journey of her lifetime. She's in for an amazing time. Just be ready. I'm here. I'm your big sis. You can come to me. You can come to me if you need anything. I would be more than happy to help. Fantastic. So Chioma, we asked you if you could describe your reign in 3 words, what would those words be? Educated, building, I would just say educating in different segments, because it has made me intellectually stronger than usual, and it has just built me completely. Brilliant.
All right.
Thank you so much, Chioma Obiadi, outgoing Miss Nigeria.
Man. Can we have our 10 finalists? Please make your way on stage. Okay.
A round of applause for the ladies as they make their way in. As we're about to find out who our 60th Miss Nigeria will be.
You've been here, but you've been missing for some time now.
And ladies and gentlemen, to help us announce the top 3, and of course our eventual winner for Miss Nigeria 2017, I'd like to call on Chioma Ude, Jumoke Adenowo, and of course Omotala Jalade Kehinde. Please put your hands together for 3 of our judges as they make their way to the stage to announce our winner for tonight.
I'm announcing the second runner-up. And the second runner-up for tonight is Miss Ondo.
Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for our second runner-up.
The second runner-up for the first runner-up for Miss Nigeria tonight is Miss Delta State.
And just before our queen is announced, we'll make her royal throne ready. So just before the announcement is made, we'll ask that please the crown and the throne be brought to the stage. And now,
the moment we've been waiting for, would like to ask the head judge and the vice judge to please make the announcement of the night.
The winner of Miss Nigeria, the 60th edition, is Miss Adamawa.
A round of applause.
Congratulations to all our ladies, and congratulations to our new queen.
Give me love, make a love. There's no other one above.
Shawty want $1 million. Say make a wire. Tell me to wanna cover my girl. She say all our friends are living la vida loca. They found me my lover. Yeah, you for there for me. You for there. When the boy they hunger, I for die for you. But you say if you don't get money, hide your face. Hide my face. Make another man picking on my race. I love you, no mean say. If you say make I put one hand for fire, fire.
Our queen for tonight.
I go put one for fire.
Yes, the grand prize from GAC Motors. So we'd like to celebrate her. Okay, we'd like to celebrate her, and it is time for her to be officially presented with her gifts as the 60th Miss Nigeria 2017. Please put your hands together for her once again.
Shukura kilo kosio, shuku sheka, aya shumeka, yeah. Caroline save your drama. I don't need it for a soap opera. Hola, hola, Mr. Olopa. I'm not here to cause wahala. Hello, diva, save your drama. You don't need me in your soap opera. Yeah, you for there for me. You for there. When the boy they hunger.
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. It's been an absolute delight hosting tonight. We've had a fabulous time. Congratulations to all our winners and to all of you who have stayed to this time. Thank you very much. We will see you again at the Miss Nigeria 2018. Good night.
Wow!
Such
So much excitement.
Emotional, exciting, amazing.
Wow.
We have Miss Nigeria 2017.
Wow, we have the winner. She's been crowned. It's amazing. The new Miss Nigeria 2017 and 2018.
Yes.
She's a running queen right now, man.
Absolutely.
She's going in.
Yes, it is. Thank you so much for being a part of our live stream here on Wazobia Max, Wazobia TV. Back to the stage. Enjoy. Thank you. Thank you. See you next year. All right, back to the stage, guys. I am Myra Essa, and of course,
And they were AKA Fresh.
thank you very much.
To all the people, especially for tonight, the new queen, Miss Nigeria, because she is the winner and she will be awarded by one of our brand new GAC motto.
Want nothing less, lead me to my destiny. I have waited patiently. I have vision, oh I believe. I know I can count on me, so stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up, stand up, stand up for the champions. just life, that's how it is. Cause we have our strengths and weaknesses. Oh, I have vision, can't you see? I'm on the move, make way for me. Stand up.